how to identify the temperature-specific solubility of an API in all ICH solvents, log in to SoluDEM, and navigate to the Projects page. Select the API for which solubility prediction is required. Open the DEM Info tab. Click on Run Solubility for the DEM file. From the options, choose Pure_68 to perform solubility calculations across 116 process-friendly solvents. Click Run Solubility Now to initiate the calculation process. The screening takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes, during which the solute is analyzed against 116 solvents. Once completed, click the plus button and then Create Data to generate the solubility results. After the calculations are completed, solubility values are displayed at 10 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, and 50 degrees Celsius. Click the Excel icon to download the results. Solubility data for all 116 ICH solvents at the 3 temperatures will be available. The solubility values can be sorted from largest to smallest to identify the most suitable solvents and anti-solvents for the selected API and impurities. Temperature-specific solubility is useful to design process crystallization experiment. A PDF report of the solubility results can also be downloaded directly from the results page. SoluDEM, predict, screen, succeed. Accelerate your API journey with AI-powered solubility insights in minutes, not months.